Tigullio Ambient vi porta nelle notti musicali dei più importanti locali ambient. Vintage Café, Buddha Bar, Caffè del Mar, jazz, chill e ambient sono le atmosfere musicali di Radio Tigullio Ambient, un flusso musicale per intenditori. Buon ascolto.
I got all that you and I live in each other's heart. We may be oceans away. You feel my love. I hear what you say. No truth is ever a lie. I stumble and fall, but I give you it all.
Radio Tigullio Ambient, un'atmosfera musicale da sogno per chi ama sognare.
Wake up.
silent. It's also very rude. I go and get the post and make some tea and toast. You have another sleep, love. It's me that needs it most. Wake up and make love with me. Wake up and make love. Wake up and make love with me. I don't wanna make you, I let the fancy take you, and you wake up and make love. And make love with me. Wake up and make love. Wake up and make love with me. I don't wanna make you, I let the fancy take you, and you wake up and make love.
Chill Out and Ambient, la musica d'atmosfera in onda su Radio Tigullio. Buon ascolto.
somebody else to play with. Yeah. For somebody else to play with.
Radio Tigullio Ambient vi porta nelle notti musicali dei più importanti locali ambient. Vintage Café, Buddha Bar, Caffè del Mar. Jazz, chill out e ambient sono le atmosfere musicali di Radio Tigullio Ambient, un flusso musicale per intenditori.
Let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching.
that you were right for me, but felt so lonely in your company. But that was love and it's an ache I still remember. Certain kind of sadness, like resignation to the end, always the end. So when we found that we could not make sense, well, you said that we would still be friends. But I'll admit that I was glad that it was over.
History of the 1968 movement that changed Brazilian music.
Vagante nella dopo di te. Non mi ferirà questo vuoto profondo che c'è dentro il tuo mondo,
That changed
che c'è
Brazilian
dentro di
music.
te.
Ciao Milano. Buongiorno Milano.
Brief history of the 1968 movement that changed Brazilian music.
E mi perdo in mezzo alla gente e svanisce magicamente la nostalgia. Una musica dolce e costante accompagna il mio passo vagante nella fantasia.
Le 6.
La 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 la
Oddio, l'aperitivo. Ma dove? Al Breakfast Club di Milano.
in un attimo si allontana per sempre la paura del niente che c'è dopo di te, e non mi fermerà questo vuoto profondo che c'è dentro il tuo mondo, che c'è dentro di te.
Cappuccino. Un tramezzino? Non lo so. Basta, basta, basta. Andiamo. Dove? Al Breakfast Club.
Radio Tigullio Ambient, un'atmosfera musicale da sogno per chi ama sognare.
I want to run, I want to hide, I want to tear down the walls that hold me inside. I want to reach out and touch the flame where the streets have no name. I want to feel sunlight on my face. I see the dust part disappear without a trace. I want to take shelter from the poison rain where the streets have no name. Where the streets have no name. Where the streets have no name. We're still building and burning down love. Burning down love. And when I go there, I go there with you. It's all I can do. The cities are fine, and our love turns to rust. We're beaten and blown by the wind, trampled in dust. I'll show you a place high on a desert plain
Avete ascoltato Radio Tigullio Ambient, un'atmosfera musicale da sogno per chi ama sognare.